Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and of course, Windows 11 has its Patch Tuesday updates today. So, this, of course, will contain also the bug fixing updates from the month of February if you have not applied them yet. So, if you go into your settings and into Windows Update, you will see that there will be a update for you. And if I look at my update history, you could see here it comes in the form of 2026-03 security update, KB5079473. And depending on you being on 24H2 or 25H2, you'll see that the ending will be 26100 or 26200, and the ending will be 8037. Now, one thing that could be important if you have a .NET framework installed, you might get a security update for the .NET framework, which has a critical zero-day flaw that is already exploited in the wild, so that's why it is updated. Keep in mind that to have this .NET update or these .NET updates, you need to have that installed, and not everybody has. It depends on the software you've got on your computer. So some of you don't have .NET framework necessarily installed. It really depends on what you have on the PC. So this fixes a variety of security flaws, of course, and we'll be looking in detail at all of that. There's quite a few security flaws. There are 2 0 days, a lot of important security updates to do also. So to stay safe, the best thing to do is to, of course, update with your Patch Tuesday. Some people prefer to wait just to make sure that there's no problems, and totally understand that. So some of you will probably be waiting a little bit before you apply it. Mine went pretty fast too. I don't think it took more than the overall, like download, install, then restart. So it was really, really quick. So I hope that yours goes well. And of course, this is the March 2026 security updates. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.